Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Jamie, and I will be your teacher for today. And before we start, let's have first a short activity. And this activity is letter box. Now, your job is to tell me the missing letter of each box, and until you guess the correct word. Now, can you give me first letter? Okay, let's have M. Very good. Next letter, please. A. I'm sorry, but we don't have letter A. Next letter. Okay, let's have S. Okay, S. Alright, what else? Okay, let's have V. Okay, very good. Another one. O. Okay. Next one. Let's have I. So what do you think is this? Okay, so this is very good. It is movies. So for today, we are going to talk about movies. Okay. Now, before we move on to our conversation question, let's have first a vocabulary. Okay, let's talk about some words that we are going to use in our conversation question. So the first one that we have here is genre. Okay, when we talk about genre, we are talking about the kinds of movies. Okay, so let's say this is kinds. Okay, all right. Now talking about the kinds of movies, let's have action. Okay, another one we have comedy. Next one we have horror. And our last one here is romance. Okay, now when you watch action movie, you feel like feel excited, or you are excited whenever you watch action movie. Okay, so when you watch comedy, it is funny. Okay, you feel you make you laugh whenever you watch comedy. Horror, you feel scared when you are watching horror movies. And romance, you feel in love. Okay? So these are the words that we are going to use in our conversation. Do you have any questions? None. Now let's use these words in questions. So first one, what genre, okay, of movie do you like and why? Again, what genre of movie do you like and why?
Horror teacher.
I'm sorry?
Horror.
Horror, okay, that's good, but we can make it like this. I like to watch
I like to watch
horror movies
horror
because
movies because
it is
it is exciting.
very good. Okay, that is a good answer. Now, another question here is, what movie do you like the most and why? Mm-hmm.
The movie I like the most
Yes.
is horror.
Horror, what title of movie do you like?
A lot, teacher.
A lot.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Saw any movies, teacher, with psychopathic killer.
Wow, that is very exciting. Okay, now, what movie don't you like to watch?
Romance.
Romance, why don't you like romance?
And bitter, teacher.
Okay, me too. I hope you can move on. Alright, okay, very good. So now let's move on in writing part. Thank you for your answer. Now let's move on to our writing part. How about this one? Okay, the question here is, what movie do you like to watch and why? Okay, I know we already answered this one in our conversation, but this time is writing one. Okay, again, we can answer like this. I like to watch, let's just say comedy. I like to watch comedy because it is funny. Okay? Alright. Okay, another question. What genre of movie Okay, what genre of movie don't you like to watch and why? Okay, so same thing, let's just do the same pattern here. I don't like, okay, let's use romance. Romance because I hate love stories. Okay, just for example. Okay, all right. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, now let's move on to our reading part. Okay, now I'm going to read a short reading. Okay, and then let's try to answer later. Okay, I will make very quick. I am Jamie. I like to watch movies in my free time. I usually like to watch action and romance. My favorite movie is Avengers. When I watch movies, I feel so happy. It is very fun, entertaining, and relaxing. Also, watching movies in English can help me improve my English. So I would like to recommend you to watch English movies as well. Okay, let's have one question. Does James like to watch movies? Okay, yes, he does. Okay, and what does he do in his free time? He likes to watch movies in his free time. And that's it for today. Thank you so much.